Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we can learn about REST architectural principles. We can also call it as REST constraints. A true REST API must follow a set of 6 rules. They are the principles that makes REST API reliable, scalable, and easy to use. Here, the first one is client to server architecture. Here, the client is the front end and server is the back end. The client and server operate independently. That means both are separate. Here, the client to server architecture main purpose is to make the system flexible. And next one is statelessness. Every request must contain all required information because server doesn't remember previous requests. No session state is stored on the server. For example, client must send token every time. The stateless principle main purpose is to make no session memory issues and scalable. And third one is cacheable. Responses from the server can be explicitly marked as cacheable. Here clients can reuse data to avoid hitting the server again. The main purpose of cacheable principle is to improve performance. And next one is uniform interface. A REST API should follow standard rules like use standard HTTP methods. For example, get, post, put, delete, patch, like that. And we can use standard URLs and status codes. Also, we can use JSON or XML structure. The main purpose of uniform interface is makes APIs predictable and easy to use. And next one is layered system. REST APIs can be deployed in multiple layers and our request goes through load balancer, API gateway, auth server and backend servers. Here client doesn't know what layers exist behind. Here the main purpose of layered system is to increase scalability and security. And the sixth one is code on demand. It is optional. Here server can send executable code to the client like a small piece of JavaScript. However, most REST APIs doesn't use this constraint because it can add complexity and reduce the security. These are the REST principles. Okay, I will see you in the next video.